hyped about this video today. Why, you ask? Because y'all, I haven't done this type of video here in such a long time. 1. 2, I am so ecstatic because I am actually revamping this particular segment that you guys are watching right now. And this right here is the first video of this series that is going to be a part of this channel from this point forward. First and foremost, I have to say thank you guys so much for being so patient with me over this last year. As you guys may or may not know, if you guys are newer here, welcome to the Fam Bam. My name is Sandy and I am I don't even know what I would call myself. I am literally the craziest person on earth. You will get your laugh on watching videos here on this channel. You will also be informed while laughing. Whether it's watching a video on workout and fitness routines, advice on relationships, etc., makeup products, beauty trends, Instagram trends, etc., you will get your laugh on, okay? And enjoy yourself and be quite entertained here because I'm a little bit extra. But you will also get informed because I always make sure to let you guys know the real deal Holyfield on whatever it is that I'm speaking on, and I might even save you a few coins at that, okay? That being said, you guys know this last year has been a struggle trying to figure out a schedule for this channel to be able to upload consistently on this channel. And the primary reason for that is because, as you guys may or may not know, your girl just recently had, a little over a year ago, the most beautiful twins on the planet. I had boy-girl twins, Jackson and Jayla, and if you guys want to check out videos, daily vlogs of our craziness being new twin parents, my husband and I, family, friends, the twins, and all of that good stuff, you are more than welcome to go out to my daily vlog channel and subscribe over there to be a part of our Fam Bam over there. Stay here, of course, but feel free to click the iCard above. I will also leave it linked in the description box down below for you guys to actually go and check it out because we vlog and upload daily on that channel, okay? And it's everything from the rooter to the tutor. It's the good, the bad, the ugly, the funny, okay? But you're gonna love it and be entertained all at the same damn time. Look! Because I've had those twins, because life has been so crazy, because it's hard to trust people and, you know, individuals with your kids, okay? And I'm just not the most trusting of people. It has been a ride to try to find a system that works best where I can consistently upload here on this channel as well as keep up with the daily vlogs that I put up on the vlog channel because I upload daily over there on a regular and have been for years now. And yeah, getting those things going. And so I appreciate you guys being patient with me. For those of you guys that have stuck around and haven't left, I truly appreciate it. And with that being said, your girl has been uploading, as you guys see here on this channel. I have some other videos I've already shot for this channel that are coming that are unrelated to this Fit Friday video that you guys are watching right here, so stay tuned for that. Lots of makeup vids, all kinds of things are coming back. Ask Sandy, question answer videos, etc., so stay tuned for all of that. My next video upload should be a makeup related video upload that you guys are going to live for. Check out my Instagram if you haven't already, Socialite Sandy, if you guys want to see the teaser about what that's going to be because everybody's hype about that video coming up. And yeah, y'all, this video right here is a revamp of my Sandy's Sexy 60, which is my fitness segment that I've had here for a couple years now. But because of the name, it's it's kind of deceiving because 60 was supposed to indicate the amount of time I was going to spend showing you the actual workout. 60 seconds, that is. And y'all know my black ass is winded as all hell. And ain't no way, ain't nobody gonna be trying to tell y'all something in 60 seconds because I can't do it, okay? So with that being said, they are now being called Fit Fridays. So we are pretty much revamping the same exact segment, changing the name, and then allotting a specific day of the week that these videos are gonna come out. Now, that doesn't mean that every single Friday is gonna be a Fit Friday because you guys know we do Fashion Forward Fridays here on this channel as well. I will leave that linked above if you guys wanna check out the last one that I shot for Valentine's Day. Those will also still be a mainstay here on this channel, but those are pretty much whenever I have a chance to shoot a really cute, sexy outfit to showcase to you guys. And again, those will be sprinkled throughout Fridays. But what I can tell you is that I am going to be a lot more consistent here on this channel. Fit Fridays are also going to be within the framework of this channel, and the Fit Friday segment is essentially going to be what it is, which is a fitness health related video specific to showcasing workouts to you guys that target specific body parts, okay? Now I put up a post on Instagram, okay? I'm on there with Instagram stories and posts, and I've been uploading and posting a lot there, okay? But I asked you guys what you guys wanted to see in my first or next fitness video, okay? And you guys wanted abs. Now y'all know that's what I'm working on because I just had kids just a little while ago, so I gotta get rid of this baby belly, okay? So I'm gonna be showcasing to you guys the workouts that you asking me to put up, okay? And that's why I wanted to make sure that I revamped it, switched it up, turned it to Fit Fridays, because I don't want to be limited to the amount of time I'm able to showcase this to you guys. But what I can tell you is within these Fit Fridays, it's gonna be a little different because now I'm a mom, and so my time is more limited. The time I have at the gym is more limited, and I'm not always able to get in the gym. So a lot of these workout videos that you guys are gonna see, and health related videos and diet related videos, are going to also include information for those of you guys who don't have gym memberships, who can't get into the gym, who like outdoor workouts, those types of things. It's gonna be a little bit of everything because, as you guys know that follow me on the vlog channel, my kids go to the kids care area and they only have a certain amount of time they're able to be there, and that is only if they don't take a poop or they have a little cry session and I have to relieve, you know, them over at the kids academy area, and then my workout is cut off short. So whatever it is that I do at the gym, whatever it is that I do at home, I'm limited within a time frame to get it done. So a lot of my workouts here are going to be very time friendly videos that are going to showcase workouts that you can not only do at the gym but also at home in case you don't have a gym membership, okay? So this particular video that you guys are watching now is a 5-minute kick-ass ab workout segment, okay? It is going to target every single portion of your abs, your upper abs, your entire ab section, torso, obliques, as well as your lower abs. And it's all gonna only take 5 minutes, okay? So that, just to give you guys an idea, is going to be the types of videos I put out. They're gonna be videos that you can literally incorporate within the framework of a gym workout, or you can do at home, okay? And I will always show you guys modified versions. So if I show you guys something at the gym on a piece of equipment at the gym, okay, I will also show you the modified version of how you can do it if you're at home and you don't have the gym equipment around you, okay? So this particular First Friday, or Fit First Friday, okay, is a video specific to your abs, okay? You're going to burn, you hear me? And it is literally 5 minutes long. It is 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. So each of these 5 exercises, okay, are each going to be 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. That will be a total of 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes to spare, okay? You have 5 minutes. You make it happen, all right? So that is what this video is about. While you guys are here, make sure you guys thumbs up this video if you guys are watching me for the first, second, third, 100th time. Subscribe to become part of the fan band. Make sure you guys check out the vlog channel if you haven't already. And yeah, y'all stay tuned because these Fit Fridays are gonna be coming out. Like I said, not every single Friday. We're gonna sprinkle them in within the framework of this channel over months time, okay? And you'll probably get 2 videos a month, I would say, but look out for them on Fridays. And like I said, follow me on Instagram and you'll find out when those posts go up as well. And without further ado, check out the workout. Enjoy. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get this started. So this is going to be an ab routine that is going to burn, but it is perfect for those of you guys that are at home or in the gym. No equipment is needed, and you can alter and change things and modify them as you see fit. So this workout is going to entail 5 ab exercises. Each of those exercises you will do for 30 seconds, and then you will take a 30-second rest and then go on to the next exercise for 30 seconds. So 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off for a total of 5 minutes. So let's go. Now, the ab exercises that I'm showing you, I actually demo them at the gym, but all of this can be done at home. And so what I'm showing you is that I have a mat, and you can use a yoga mat, you can use a towel, or you can just lay on your carpet. I also show that I'm using a weight as well, but you don't have to have a weight for this particular ab exercise. You can use a water bottle, a pillow, a baby, whatever you have that will help you to do this ab exercise that you're going to see here in a second. Okay, so I'm also showing you my Fitbit, and that's what I'm using to time each of these ab exercises, okay? Highly recommend getting a Fitbit. It totally just changes your whole workout experience because it tracks your calories that you've burned, it keeps up with your heart rate, etc., etc. I'll leave the model that I am wearing. It's very inexpensive. I'll leave it down in the description box down below. And what you're seeing me get set up for is for my first set of abdominal exercises, and these are what you call ab tucks, okay? And you guys can clearly see why they are called that. Now, the weight that I told you guys earlier can be replaced with whatever, because clearly I'm not using it for what you'd essentially use a weight for. I'm just using it as a place marker. So I can actually guide my feet on either side and in the middle above the weight. So you can use a water bottle, a teddy bear, a stuffed animal, a person can stand there, and you literally will use your entire abdominal region to lift your legs on the side, the middle, on the side, back to the middle, on the side again. And you're going to feel this throughout your entire abdominal region. Now, after you done burned your abs with that first exercise, you're going to love your 30-second rest. It's going to go by fast, but trust me, you will enjoy every second of that little 30 seconds. Next step are leg lifts. And it's a very, very simple move, but you guys, it does the trick, okay? So you will feel this in your upper abdomen, but it also works your lower abdomen as well. And it basically is just putting yourself on your back. You're going to use your hands for support very lightly to each side. And you're literally going to do exactly what I'm doing, which is to lift the tush and the rest of your legs up. Some people do it a little straighter legged. I like mine bent, my knees bent just a tad bit. And you'll do exactly what you see here, which is a slight little lift, all while contracting your abs. So you will always want to make sure that throughout these ab exercises, you're contracting your abs, and you'll do this for 30 seconds. Now remember, this next exercise is after you've done your 30 seconds rest, okay? So what I just showed you is I'm just using a 14-pound weight. It's a kettlebell that I got at the gym. Again, this does not need to be weighted. You don't even have to use a weight, especially for those of you guys that are beginner. And you will lay yourself on your back. You will take that kettlebell and you will use that as almost your resistance to crunch up. And these are what are called lemon squeezers, okay? As you guys can see, you see why that's what it's called, okay? And shout out to my girl JoJo. She is the one who actually put me on game to this particular ab exercise. You guys have seen me do it on the vlog channel many, many times. It is a killer, and it works your entire abs, your upper, lower, and mid abs. Now remember, after that, you're going to really want to take that 30-second rest, okay? Then you are going to go into these right here. Now in this particular movement, you're staying on your back. You're going to just spread your legs apart, and I'm just using the same kettlebell that I had in the previous clip. You do not need to have this weight, because believe me when I say this particular ab exercise does the trick without the weight, okay? I just want it to be more challenging. So the weight is more for those that are intermediate or advanced, okay? If you just, I mean, shoot, you just got strong abs, okay? Try it out and see what you think, but you really, really don't need the weight, okay? And as you guys can see, I'm using my abs to lift myself up, and then I'm giving an additional movement at the top, bringing that weight all the way almost above my head, and then I'm going back down again. It's a very controlled movement, and I'm using my abs to do it the entire time. Last but not least, you guys, as you guys can see, I am pooped, okay? My abs are on fire. You hear me? But your girl's trying to get rid of this baby belly fat. So, again, I'm getting back down on the mat. You can do this at home, like I said, on the carpet or wherever you are most comfortable. And we are going to do planks, and we're also going to do oblique twists, okay? So what you're seeing me do right now is the plank. I start off with a plank. We do that for 15 seconds. We're going to tuck ourselves in. We're going to make sure our abs are really holding that position, keep our butt low, and we're going to focus on the abs. You are going to feel this, okay, even after just 15 seconds. And then from that same position, we are going to start doing oblique twists, okay? Now your abs are going to be on fire at this point because this is the last and final exercise. You're going to do this for the remaining 15 seconds. As you guys can see, it is difficult to do. My abs are feeling weak as all get out. But honey boo boo, when I say these work like nobody's business, and it's a great ab finisher for this 5-set series, honey, you will not be sorry, and your abs are going to be on fire. You will be sore for the next couple of days, boo boo. Woo! Yeah, y'all, now that you got done with all 5 exercises, don't y'all feel great? Don't you feel good? Your abs are gonna be sore as all get up, but y'all went through and did 5 minutes of fully focused ab exercises that are surely going to help dwindle away and get rid of all that fat, okay? And look, if you're feeling froggy, if you're a little bit more advanced than the rest of us, you can do that entire cycle for another 5 minutes again. Remember, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Always make sure at the beginning of your workout to make sure to stretch. Always make sure at the end of your workout to make sure you stretch. Always warm up and cool down as well. Talk to your healthcare provider, physician, nutritionist, doctor to make sure you guys are able to do this and that you guys are clear to do these exercises. And y'all, thumbs up while you guys are here. Make sure to subscribe to become part of the fam bam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I promise they will not have the long intro that I had at the beginning, but I wanted to make sure to let you guys know what I had done to revamp this entire thing and to let you guys know that there is more to come from your girl. So stay tuned. There's more videos coming in the next couple days. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.